Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 450 Coupe 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo, pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, a black exterior trim on the accents, AMG badging, black leather interior, pano sunroof. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler, GLE 450 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and a lane keep assist. Also included is our Premium 1 package, which is going to give you Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, an anthracite poplar wood trim, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. Also included is our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE Coupe has 46,140 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 450 Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.